Okay, so let's go to the top floor plan, and I don't think we have to add anything else. As I've told you, we will not be adding these two small projections. So let's see the terrace plan, and you can see that the terrace is only up to this area. So this is the area. This portion that you see is this portion of the second floor plan. This red line represents the terrace plan. Okay, which means that we have to delete this much portion. So in the third floor we don't have this column. Okay, so this is up to here, and we don't have any column going to the third floor, and we delete the column. Also we delete the beams here. So let us go to Start Pro, and let us go to the front view from +Z, and let us select the third floor and the columns. So let us select the beams cursor here, and let us select this, and right click here, click on new view, and click on OK. So click on isometric view. So we need to delete these. Okay, so this beam, hold control, this beam, and this column. So this much of area we don't have in the third floor plan. So click on delete, and click on OK, and click on yes, and after that click on whole structure view, display whole structure, and this is your building. Alright guys, so this is how you model your structure, and the structure is pretty much ready. The modeling portion, now we have to add the support. We have to give certain specifications to our structural members, and then we'll apply the loads. Then we'll analyze and design this structure.